What's going on, suckers? Welcome back to another episode of Robbie Sucks! Guess what? I had more water damage to my house. So much fun. This is what I've been doing. So much drywall. We're gonna see if we can figure out how to do some more walls. I did that. I did this.
That right there?
That right there.
Right there.
Yeah. Check it out. Alright, so this is the last wall in my guest bedroom that I have to fix. I actually have to do my bathroom and the master bedroom because that took water damage as well, and there's a quarter of that wall gone. So that's cool, but right now I just gotta see where I'm at on measurements and how much I actually need to cut on my drywall. So we look like we're sitting at 34 and maybe an eighth. I'm gonna go 34 and a quarter just to be safe. Nah, I should probably go 34 and an eighth. We'll go 34 and an eighth. 34 and an eighth, you agree?
Sure.
Yeah? You like that?
Yeah,
If
I
it's
think
short,
so.
I mean, we can fix it with paste or tape or I don't know.
Yeah, whatever.
I like to party. So we'll go 34 and an eighth. That's all this is here. 8 foot. Oh, I can't say that one.
Remix. So how tall is it?
This wall is.
Oh.
Jeez. Gosh.
It's just bigger than what he's used to handling. Get it.
Got me a marlin.
Everything you get.
It's more than 3 feet. I'll say that much.
I'll figure out one of these days. Bro, straighten it out.
I'm trying.
Straighten it out. Oh, there you go. So what is it?
Yeah, just a little unclear.
Look on down, get you some.
It's 96 inches. Just a little under 8 feet.
Yeah.
Just a little under 8 feet. Cool.
Yeah. Yo, Robbie. Easy.
What's up?
What are you doing?
Dude, I'm about to cut this drywall.
Yeah? Don't hit the charger.
I'm gonna
Charger.
hit the charger.
Don't fuck with the charger, alright?
I'm not gonna mess with the charger.
No, mess. Sorry.
I don't know them. I don't know where they are.
Out front shenanigans here.
So, my goal is to cut this as straight as possible. Guys, we already know I'm not a contractor. You saw how my garage build went. By the way, it looks fire. It's so dope. We'll see.
Just know, might not be perfect, but it gets the job done.
It's okay to suck, just don't give up.
Dun, 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 dun.
Whoop.
Drawing that purple line there.
Dude, I'm the only person who I can draw with a ruler and still fuck it up. Look at that. Look at that, dude.
Would you just look at it?
Golly. I'm an absolute train wreck.
Want to be Robbie sucks and Robbie wasn't sucking.
You're not wrong. Alright, well, I hope that's right. You know what I should do? I should cut with this ruler.
You gotta have a marker out the head to be professional.
Yep.
Yep. Let it rip, tater chip.
Martin, I'm sorry.
It's all your fault. You didn't come over today. You left me unsupervised.
You left me unsupervised, Martin.
What just happened there, Robbie?
That little guy? I wouldn't worry about that little guy.
Still guy.
I wouldn't worry
Oh,
about
that guy?
that little guy. I wouldn't worry about that little guy.
Yeah, that little guy. Don't worry about it.
Alright.
You gonna
Spit it on!
do some kung fu magic? Knock this side of the sheetrock out.
See if I can do it. Martin was like a wizard with this issue. He was like, and it like broke. And I was like, ooh.
Oh, that's so sweet. See what you got?
Look at that form.
Look at the form. Look at the form. No way.
Did it.
Professionals here. Professionals. That guy? Don't worry about that guy.
Alright, so we got our measurements here. This is where that light switch goes. It's in that wall. That's we're gonna cut it out. It's about 51 inches from the bottom and about 41 inches from the top. I had to mark it so I don't get confused. What do you think, Rich?
We'll see when we put it up. If your measurements are correct.
I hope they are.
Me too.
Me too. So we made our cuts. Super good. The best cuts ever. So great. So good. What is happening? I am not a carpenter. I snapped my fingers in the wall. The wall came on. So we got half of it up. Now, we're going to do the upper half. See? I cut the hole. Look at that. Thumbs up, dude. Alright, well, I got the whole wall up in this area done. I'm pretty excited with it. I got the ceiling done. The ceiling's good. I didn't know what I was doing. Thanks to Martin for helping me out earlier. Rich, thanks for coming over and helping me today. I'm not a carpenter, by no means. And this job, I understand why it cost a little bit to get drywall done because it kind of sucks. But it's alright to suck. Just don't give up. As always, it's your boy Robbie, and I'll see you next time. And it like broke. And I was like, ooh.
Oh, that's so sweet.